What's up guys, how are you doing? This is back on KKCA with another very interesting cinema 4D tutorial. I usually say that my videos are interesting. Guess why? Because they're interesting. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Anyway, I just wanted to give a shout out to all the 400 and few subscribers on our channel. Thank you very much for watching our videos and subscribing to our channel and liking them from time to time. Also commenting, I think some of you did comment on our videos. Yeah, so really thank you very much. And I'm hoping that I'm going to create more helpful content for you, so it should be a lot of fun. And yeah, if you're new to this channel, then make sure to join the 400 and a few subscribers. Thank you in advance. Anyway, in today's video we're going to see how we can render and save our renders, also tweak the render settings before rendering or just exporting our renders or saving them. Anyway, so I just have this quick scene setup, and it's one of my I have a tutorial on how to create this one, and let me show you just what you're gonna get. And this is going to be the final result for that picture. And also I also made the Photoshop part, so you might want to check that too, and it's amazing. We're going to see how we can render, because as you can see this looks nothing like this. Of course it doesn't. Anyway, so the way to achieve that look, I mean, you can see that this is not looking so good, and we have some wireframes and everything like that. And you can just click on this which is render view, and the shortcut for this would be Ctrl R, and you've probably seen me do this a couple of times in the previous video where I showed you how to use the lights and the types of lights. Anyway, let's click on it and see what we're gonna get. And it should take some time or a lot of time depending on your scene, so I'm going to skip and be back when it's finished. You can clearly see that it's looking a lot better and much more detailed than it was looking before, and we have no wireframes, and that's amazing. So now how to you can see some grain on the picture because I have my render settings set to a low preset. Now what if you want to change the render settings? You can just go to this one, which shows like a render view but with a gear. So click on it and then go to the output, and here you can change the resolution. Let's say like 1920. I'm just going to go for 1280 by 720, and that's like HD. Let's see, and these are like for animation and keyframing, so we don't have a video, so this should be for a later video. We also have this save tab, and it's for like choosing the format, and it depends on which format you want to use. Like maybe if you have a picture, you might want to go for a PNG or PSD or BMP or TIFF, and these are like the best formats for those purposes. So let's go to PNG, and it also has like the alpha channel, so it's transparency. And yes, you can change choose a save path, and so just name your picture, so when you click on it, it will automatically save as with all the settings, so you don't have to use that. And I'm using the physical render, so let me just go ahead and set it to medium preset, so we get rid of some grain, and that should be it. I mean, you don't really have to I'm gonna leave this one for a later video, so you don't really have to worry about it too much. You can just like you can see this resolution, and it's the DPI, so maybe you want to just set it to 300 for the best result and the maximum quality of the image. So now render and see what we're gonna get. Click on this one or Shift R. I'm gonna be back after it finishes. And here we are again after 9 minutes of waiting. I mean, I didn't want to waste my time, so I did some workout. And now if you were to check your desktop, you're gonna see that this picture does exist there. But if you didn't check this save button and you still want to save your file, so just go to this where it says like save, and the shortcut for this would be Ctrl-Shift-S, and you're gonna get this little tab. So just make it a still image, and it's gonna take like pretty much all your render settings. But if for some reason you want to change them, then you can do it right here. So just go to PNG 300 dpi alpha channel. I mean, we are not using alpha channel, no transparency in our scene, so let's just uncheck that and save it. So S, and now you're gonna choose the saving path, then OK, and it should be there. And I don't really consider 9 minutes a lot of time, but it's 9 minutes. It could have taken a lot more time if I had checked global illumination and added some ambient occlusion, but I did not. And these will cause your render to take a lot of time to finish. So I'm gonna talk about them in my future videos also. So make sure to check them out when they are uploaded. And I think that this was the end of our video for today, and I'm hoping to see you in tomorrow's video. Thank you for watching.